Can my head fit in here? Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. I'm trying to see if y'all can see my eyeballs with this glare. I think we're good. Today is going to be a different kind of video. Today we are attempting to apply a T-part lace wig to my head. I never messed with like real wigs, like real lace wigs before, so I thought this would be like a fun little experiment we can all learn together. Maybe it's gonna be a struggle. But today we are so blessed to have a sponsor. Today we are reviewing this wig by Unice. If you guys have been OG subscribers of my channel, I have been wearing Unice wigs for years now. I think Unice is actually the only real hair vendor I've ever really messed with. You guys know I love their headband wig. I wear that thing like crazy. And like one of my first videos was reviewing their bundles. So I love all of their stuff. So I thought this would be a great partnership. We're reviewing their T-part lace like highlight balayage highlight wig, and I get some of these lashes, which I'm definitely going to give to my roommate. She would love these. They're so extra. It comes with a headband, like a cheetah print headband. It comes with one curler and it comes with this blonde wig cap, and it actually comes with a silk like wig bag. So I really actually like that, and their logo is on it. So I've never gotten that before, so I really like that. The wig they sent me is 26 inches, which, girl, what? I've never had a wig that long, I don't think. So here she is in this packaging. We're gonna take her out. This was long. Can you see that? That is soft. It just smells like hair to me, like bundles. Here she is. And I've never really had highlights like this before, so we're really experimenting today. She is, she has these two combs on the side, and then this is the inside. So I think what calls it a T is it has this T, and then it goes down here in like a really deep part. So you can see right here, it's really deep in the back, and then it has the fronts. I looked up a few videos. And we're gonna really try to do this the beginner friendly way. I'm not bleaching her. I'm not gonna do crazy baby hairs. This is not that video. This is watching Nelia trying to figure out how to put this wig on. It does have a comb in the back as well, and adjustable straps, which I never use because y'all know I have a big head. So can my head fit in here? Stay tuned to find out. I ordered some things from Amazon, and they're not here yet, and I need those things to do this wig. So hopefully they come today. If not, we'll be doing this tomorrow because those things are essential, and I have to show you guys them so you can get the idea. This is my custom mannequin head from Amazon, and I got it in the actual size of my head, which is 23.5. So let's see how it fits. Okay, so here she is on my mannequin, and you can see the parting better now. You can see the little middle part. I know you're supposed to like pluck and tweeze and all of that, so we're gonna do that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys whenever I get my Amazon things, and then we can get started melting this lace to my head, or whatever they say. I'm not sure. Okay, bye. So first I brought these headband edge wrap things, and it came with a comb and an edge brush. I really like these. And then I've got the hot comb, which is essential, right? We need those to lay down the wig, right? My first ever hot comb. Then I got this edge wax stick, which is good for like flyaways and things like that. And this is gonna last me a long time, I can already tell, and I really did enjoy using it. Lastly, of course, has got to be spray. You need this apparently for the lace. I don't even think I used this, but I got some anyways. So first we're gonna start off just by cleaning up the hairline of the wig with some water and tweezers. So essentially what you're supposed to do is make the hairline look more realistic. The way it comes right out of the pack, it's a little square, it's a little not realistic. So you want to kind of pluck the hairline, thin it out a little bit, and get it to look more natural. So I separated the front and I'm working on the back little area of the hairline, and that's where I start to just help get that more flatter, natural appearance. So I'm just trying to make the hairline less thick and less chunky looking, and yeah, more natural. You know, I'm trying here. Looking back, I could have gone even harder with the plucking, but I didn't want to go too far with plucking because once the hair is gone off the wig, it's gone off the wig. It's not going to grow back. So I just did some kind of gentle plucking here. So here I'm just showing you a comparison. On the left it's like the square, thick inside, and then on the right is where I tweezed and it's a little less thick. Like I said, I could definitely have gone a little harder with the plucking, but as a first timer, we're not going to mess up our new wig. So, but there's definitely a difference. Of course, we're going to clean up that middle part just a little bit. I didn't really have any issues with the middle part, so that was pretty straightforward. So then I applied the wax stick just to get it ready for the hot comb. And as you can see here, your girl got carried away with the wax stick. This is not a tutorial. Did I mention that? I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. But this is me just trying to smooth out the front, make it lay flat so it can look even flatter against my scalp. I had a really good time with this. I never really used a hot comb before, so this was like really fun. So I'm just kind of smoothing out, and you can just see that the wax is a little too much, but it does help a lot with flyaways. So now I understand why people do the little wax thing. And here I am inspecting my handiwork, which, you know, it's decent. It's okay. First time. Could have definitely went a little harder with the tweezing, I think. But it's a T-part wig. Later on, it really didn't matter too much, but I was just inspecting little areas that I could have plucked a little more right there in the part, but it was definitely flat. Okay, guys, here we are at the moment of truth. It is the next day, and here she is. Took her off the mannequin, and I'm ready to try her on. I did keep the lace on because I wasn't sure what to do with that exactly. You have this wig cap on, a little pulled back. I will say that the flatter you can get your base, the better. I know that, but I don't have time. I've been wearing half wigs for the past 2 weeks, so my hair is in like some chunky braids in the back, and the front's left out. It's a lot going on back there. It's definitely wash day. So after this, we'll probably wash my hair, but for now, that's the kind of base we have going on. Take apart these adjustable straps because I already know I definitely don't need those, so get as much space as possible. How do people put these on? Put the back on first. Okay, wait a minute. I'm thinking I should pull forward that wig cap, but it's kind of cute, y'all. This is kind of cute. I do have a curling wand ready to go, and I do still have the hot comb ready to go in case I needed something extra going on. But yeah, you can totally see like that's my real hair. So this wig is a little small for me, so I might have to do some real work to it. To take the lace off, I know doing a straight line is a big no-no, but I do see people using these eyebrow razor pencil or razor things. God, sorry. So that's what I'm gonna do. Here's how the middle's looking. I didn't apply any powder or concealer, but the ends, this is flapping up because I don't have it with the comb attached, but so I think I'm supposed to like glue this part down. I don't want to. I don't think you have to use the melty glue down situation with this, but this is how this side's looking. So there's still some like lace showing, but I left my baby hairs out. So I do have to figure that out, but here she is. She's super pretty. The color is not as bad as I thought she would be. I do have the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330, which is my complexion color, so maybe I'll try that. Okay, so here's what we have. Parting isn't great and it isn't horrible, but I'm thinking this would be better as a side part. But I'm putting some. It's messy. I want to throw some curls in it just to see, like some quick waves. I haven't done this in years, like actual years. Oh, that was bad. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. It's so pretty, but so bad. This hair is long, girl. Y'all, I haven't curled in so long. Oh, crap, that turned off. I turned it off. Okay, let me stop embarrassing myself. Oh, look at that one, guys. Potential. I see that potential. Okay. All right, guys. What do you guys think? How do you guys think I did? Please leave all the tips down below. I'm definitely going to leave the videos down below that I reference. Here we are. How do you guys think I did? Decent? Fail? Complete fail? Complete fail. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below with any extra tips you may have, because your girl's gonna need them. Definitely. Well, maybe I should get some bangs. Girl. Okay, so much for watching. Again, like I said, please leave some tips down below if you guys have any. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up for trying. Subscribe, join the family. I come out with new videos every week. Try to. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.